In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify scenes in Pictory. If you've ever noticed that the stock video or clip PictoryAI automatically selects doesn't quite match your voiceover, this quick process will help you swap it out with a clip that fits better without changing your narration or script. Open your project in Pictory and make sure you're in the editor where you can see your scenes. On the left panel, click the Visuals tab. This is where Pictory organizes all the media that can appear in your scenes. Next, choose Uploads. This section is your personal media library, and it's where you'll add the new clip you want to use. You can bring your clip in one of two ways. If the file is handy on your desktop, simply drag and drop it into the Uploads area. If it's somewhere else on your computer, click the Upload button, browse to the file, select it, and then click Open. Pictory will begin uploading right away. Larger files may take a moment, so give it a bit of time to finish. As a quick tip, use a standard video format like MP4 for smooth uploading, and try to pick a clip that matches the orientation and general length of your scene for the best results. Once the upload completes, you'll see the new clip appear in your Uploads library. To replace the current visual in your scene, simply click the video you just uploaded. Pictory will instantly insert it into the scene and replace the old footage. Your voiceover and text stay exactly as they are. You're only swapping the visual. This is especially helpful when your narration mentions something specific and you want the imagery to reflect that more accurately. If the clip looks good and feels aligned with your voiceover timing, you're ready to lock in your changes. From here, you can download your project with the updated scene. Choose the download option and let Pictory render your video. When it's done, you'll have a version that includes your new clip in place of the original scene, keeping everything else intact. And that's it. Fast, simple, and effective. You've just learned how to modify scenes in Pictory by uploading and inserting your own video so that your visuals match your story. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads.